Welcome back to another day at Makwala Agri. So today we changed our food bath water after we realized that it was very dirty. We even found a dead lizard inside, and I decided to change the water. I will advise farmers to actually change their water regularly in the food bath. If you can, just do it every week. So every week, just try to change your water. It's really important. And then whatever you mix with inside the water, it's up to you, man. I use viral kill to disinfect my shoes when I walk inside my chicken coop. So after I was done actually putting the new water, I begin with my ventilation. So when I'm talking about ventilation, it's when you open your chicken curtain to allow the flow of air or the flow of fresh air to flow inside your chicken house. So you need that air actually to dry off your bedding and also to actually give your chicken a fresh oxygen. So after opening our chicken side to actually help our bedding to dry off, I also quickly started turning our bedding. So I normally advise farmers to turn their bedding twice a day. If you cannot do it twice a day, at least do it once a day, and it helps your bedding to actually stay fresh for a very long time. You don't want your chicken to be sitting in a wet environment. It also not healthy, because when they start to stay in a wet place, that's when you start to have a lot of ammonia inside your house that tends to cause problems to your chicken health. So after realizing that our bedding was not enough, so the wood shaving that we've put in on the floor, it was not enough, so we top up some wood shaving on the floor, and then we also refilled our feeders with the grower feed, as now our chicken are eating our grower. They have reached 2 weeks. They are now going towards 3 weeks, so they are now eating the grower as their feed. So they're going to be eating grower until we sell. Remember that we no longer feed finisher, so we only feed grower. And then I also refilled my drinkers as well with fresh water. So always give your chicken clean and fresh water all the time. So that's all I had for you today at Makwala Agri. So guys, let's keep our chicken safe. Let's apply those biosecurity measures, since now we are in a serious pandemic of an avian flu that has been attacking a lot of farmers across the country. So let's just try at least to keep our biosecurity measures on point. Dango.